What's up Pythoners, I'm back again with another video on my channel, and this time I'm gonna talk about top 10 easy Python project ideas for beginners. The projects that I'm gonna talk about in this video will focus on enhancing the problem solving skills and will become more and more difficult as we move forward. Also, you will be introduced to some of the most common libraries present and used within Python. I have searched tons of videos and sites to find the best projects for you all. So do show your support to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of new videos. One note here is that if you are an amateur, intermediate or advanced level Python programmer, this video is not exactly for you. But if you have just started with Python programming, these small and easy to make projects will definitely add value to your programming skills. So without any further ado, let's begin. At number 1, we have the calculator. Calculator is probably one of the most common project ideas that you will see in many YouTube videos. And the reason for this is that it is very easy to make and it will clear your basic concepts regarding if-else statements and while loop. The calculator will start by asking what the user wants to do, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or exit the program. Based on the option, the script will either add, subtract, multiply or divide the numbers that the user entered. Once the operation is complete, the script will again ask the user its choice. If the user chooses to exit, the program will stop. At number 2, we have the dice rolling simulator. This project will introduce Python beginners with the random library. Random library is used to generate pseudo-random results. We call its output as pseudo-random as the output we get is not 100% random but is still pretty much random. The script will ask the user whether to roll the dice or exit the game. If the user chooses to roll the dice, the script will use the random module to get a random number between 1 and 6 and display it to the user. If the user chooses to exit, the program will simply exit. At number 3, we have the number guessing game. This project is similar to the dice rolling simulator but with some extra logic. In this game, the script will randomly get a number between 1 and 10 and the user has to guess which number it is. Depending on the user's entered number, the script will tell if the actual number is greater than or less than the original number. At the end, the script will tell how many tries the user took to guess the number. At number 4, we have the value converter. This script will be used to perform some common conversions between different measurement units like Celsius to Fahrenheit, dollar to pound, centimeter to foot, etc. The script can also be modified to perform calculations like finding area of circle from radius, which will require basic understanding of Python's NumPy library. At number 5, we have the countdown timer. This script will have the ability to start a countdown timer for a certain amount of time. The user will first enter the amount of seconds that the countdown should count. Once the amount is entered, the script will start the countdown and the script will wait for the entered amount of seconds to complete. At number 6, we have the password strength checker. This script will check the strength of the password that the user will enter, just like some websites check the strength of the password before letting the user set the password. The script will show the number of alphabets, numbers, special characters and whitespace characters present within the script and will accordingly mark the password strength. At number 7, we have the Hangman Game. It's again a very common project to be built by beginner programmers. In this game, the script will randomly pick a word from list of words, show to the user the number of letters in the word, and the user has to guess the word by guessing each letter that may appear in the word. The user will have 7 chances to guess a letter that may be present within the word. If he or she is unable to guess the word within 7 chances, the user will lose the game. At number 8, we have Tic Tac Toe. Tic Tac Toe is a popular 2-player game that involves 2 players playing on a 3x3 board where each player tries to make 3 consecutives of their mark. Whoever is able to do it will win else there will be a tie. The project will try to make a Tic Tac Toe game in Python as a console application. The application would require understanding about 2D lists in Python. At number 9, we have Rock Paper Scissors Game. This project will mimic the Rock Paper Scissors game. Here the user will act as one player and the computer will act as another user. While the user will choose an object from rock, paper and scissors, the script will also choose an object. Based on user choice, the script will see who won and shows the output to the user. And finally, at number 10, we have the User Record Management System. This project will focus on clearly understanding the concept of CRUD operation, which is create, read, update and delete. The script will maintain a database within Python dictionary and provide users with the option to create an entry, read single or all entries, update any existing entry or delete any entry. Those who are aware about object-oriented programming can also attempt to create this project while following the object-oriented programming paradigm. Those were the top 10 easy Python project ideas for beginners. I have created these 10 projects for you all and uploaded them on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. But honestly, I would want you all to try building these projects by yourself, as it will add more value to your programming skills. Obviously, you can contact me anytime on Instagram or by joining my Discord server. I will try my best to respond to your queries as accurately as possible. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get updated with all my new videos. With this, it's time for me to go. This is Vishesh Dwivedi signing off.